Tracking, or as you could say, getting the wheels in line. Now cars can either be toe in or toe out, and that affects the handling. So let's have a look at this Mini and see how we can measure it. I'm attaching a piece of string to each front wheel and adjusting it so it just about touches the tyre. This extends me away from the front of the car and allows me to get clear space for a good measurement. Using some electrical tape, I've marked 2 points on each piece of string, one a set distance from the wheel and 1 metre on from that. Both pieces of string are measured in exactly the same way. This gives me 2 points that I can then measure between. Very carefully. I can see immediately that the car is toeing out. Now if I enter those values into the online calculator, so a metre for each side and then my measurement for the bottom of the triangle, I can see exactly how much it's toeing out by. I cross-checked that value against a set of motorsport tracking gauges. Happily, they agreed. So there you go, a couple of bits of string, some tape and a tape measure, and you can match gauges that cost thousands of pounds. Bargain!